I'm recording, by the way, for the new video.
Wait, so you're loud?
I need to get home, so I don't know if they're King's on too. So please get out. Please get out of the video. Hey, you guys! Oh, what's up? It's me, Kayla, and in this video, I'm going to be only trading monkeys for 24 hours. Not really 24 hours, but that's what they normally say. Like 24 hours, you're going to be trading it for the whole video. So I last night spent ages getting money. Then I spent ages getting a whole bunch of monkeys. And I literally named myself after a monkey, and I would give it to you for free. That's literally what I did. So I have so many monkeys, as you can tell. Not too much, I guess, because yesterday I did a challenge saying buy my lemonade, buy my hot dog, and you'll get a free monkey. And people bought like 6 hot dogs each. So I gave away like a whole bunch of monkeys yesterday, but it was all worth it. I still wanted to be nice. So I was going on a pet. This is actually my dream pet right now. So that's why I love getting on it. So yeah, I don't want to get on Frost Dragon or anything like that. I need to make sure my trades are on it because I do want people to like start trading me. I don't want to get on like a legendary pet to start off with. I know I am on one right now, but whenever I get there, I'm gonna get off of it because I don't want to get so many trades and people are just expecting my evil unicorn to go and trade because I'm not trading my dream pet. I would never. Unless like it's like really worth it. There's not much people around. Oh, she's a queen bee. Albino monkey. That's actually a super good deal. But let's go ahead and trade her. We're only trading monkeys. Just remember, only monkeys. Oh gosh, we need to scroll. We're just gonna put in a whole bunch of monkeys. We're gonna put in 4 monkeys. A lot of people might think it's for like. Okay, she declined. Okay, this is not a super good server. Um, there's not much people. There is a lot of people playing, but I don't see them. We're gonna go. Let's go into the monkey place and see if there's anybody here. Because a lot of people spend most of their time in here. Yeah, they just sit in here and chill. There's no disco ball. I don't know why they're like dancing and stuff. Okay, he put a puma. We're gonna put 2 monkeys. Maybe just one for the puma. One monkey for the puma. We'll do it. We want to be nice. We gotta get our first successful trade, I guess. He may do it. Let's accept. Yep, he accepted. So yeah, we got our first successful trade. Let's put in our monkey and see what she puts. Maybe 2 monkeys? Okay, 3 monkeys. Yeah, I don't think she's putting anything. She may think it's for free. I'm just gonna go ahead. Okay, she put her golden rat. How about 4 monkeys? 4 monkeys for a golden rat. That's not a super good deal. But right now, when all the monkeys are coming back, everybody wants to get their hands on a monkey, so they may do it. I don't know if she will. Oh my god! Whoa! I'm shocked. Wow. A lot of people accept really unfair trades because I'm a YouTuber and they may find out that I'm recording and they just. What? Is that her? Yes. She may want to trade back. Um. Oh, okay. Well, it's for a video. I'm sorry. I can't give this back. It's not really going to be fair and stuff like that. I think I should leave this server because she wants it back, and it was a like she put it there fair like uh I'm only trading monkeys for 24 hours. Sorry, but I can't. I don't really want to be rude and I really want to just give back to her, but yeah, it's not how the rules work. I mean, whenever they accept, they accept. Let's put 2 monkeys for that. Yeah, we'll do it. I really want to. You guys are probably gonna say give it back. I really want to, but I can't. Okay, we got our third successful trade. Um, We already have a frost dragon, so we're gonna go ahead and put our frost dragon in the line and decline. Um, Trading frost dragon for bat dragon. A lot of people do that. I think we're going to have to go switch to a new server. Number one, because this girl is probably gonna start calling me a scammer, and then she's probably gonna like report me. So if we just leave, this will be. Oh, sorry. This will just be all simple. So. Oh, that's one. So we'll only do one monkey for that. Yeah, we'll do one monkey for Pulisic. That's actually super good. She's over here saying that she really needs a bat. I don't. It's not really fair for those who are like doing it in the future, you know? So we got our fourth successful trade. Okay, she's like, what? I don't want other people to get involved. I think it's best that we leave this server. Just because I don't want to cause drama and stuff. And it's the best thing to do. One of my friends are in the server, so we're gonna have to just go join a new server, which I really don't want to do, but we're gonna have to do it. You guys, we're gonna have to go join a fresh new. Okay, guys, so I just found a new server that I'm going to. I'm gonna join my other friend's server, and yeah, I hope this is a new fresh server because if it's not, we're gonna have to leave. I think her name was like Unicorn something. I can't remember. I made sure to like kind of remember so I don't join our same server. I think I didn't. No, I think I did. I think that's her. I don't know. Princess Unicorn. I don't know. We're gonna read the chat. Um, I don't know. Yeah, but it's fine. Um, we're fine. I think everything's good. If we see her, then we will leave the server. But I don't think we're gonna see anybody. She is a bee. Let's see what she has to offer. Well, let's start off with one monkey. Her, we'll add two monkeys just for the sake of it. I think we're gonna get another successful trade. These monkeys are rare, so I guess we'll just add. Okay, she declined. I was gonna add one more, but it wasn't really a fair trade. You know what I really don't get? How people make their skin green. It's really weird. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna put four of these. I hope we don't get another golden rat because I don't really want one. They wouldn't do this. Even I wouldn't do this. Unless I'm like honestly trying to be nice. Yeah, I wouldn't do that. No, sorry. I don't mean to like be rude and stuff, but I wouldn't do that. Okay, so we're gonna say trading only monkeys starting now. Not really starting now, but trading only monkeys starting now. We're gonna put like four monkeys in because I don't have a train. Every time I keep trying to get a train, um, everybody's like, okay, you took it away. Okay, one sec. Okay, he's putting, we're just gonna go ahead and decline that one because everybody wants to trade with me. Okay, she said she wants a free monkey. Okay. There. I myself want a free monkey just asked me. Okay, well, she got a free monkey. So thanks so much. We're gonna say no problem. I love getting free monkeys. And just free stuff. I feel like I've traded all these people before. Let's put more monkeys who choose to offer. Okay, we'll add like four monkeys. We'll add like four monkeys. I'm gonna take that away. I don't know. I don't have an ice cream sled. Here, we'll put 3. We'll put 3 monkeys. Yeah, 3. 3 monkeys. I think that's a super good deal. I don't know. Yay! Oh, please. Yay! Yay! Okay. You already got one. Hey, isn't that the girl? No, that's not the same girl who already got one. You guys, you see, everybody keeps making their skin green, and it's super just hard to tell. Guys, thank you. We're like running out of monkeys, so we're gonna stop this video right here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.